Or for that matter, let's talk about the season. I mean, Mumbai ki barish, subhanallah, but the Mumbai musty monsoon odor, no, I don't think we're all pretty much fans of that, right? So yes, in fact, to understand the impact of the odors in our daily lives, Ambipure, in association with AC Nielsen, has also commissioned a survey wherein they interviewed around 850 women from Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, as well as Delhi. So on that beautiful note, as we march ahead to our next segment of the program, it's now time for me to invite on stage one of the most renowned actors of the Indian film industry and the brand ambassador of Ambipure. Let me please invite on stage Mr. Boman Irani. All right, so firstly, a warm welcome indeed.
Thanks very much.
We've been talking about household odors, and
You called me.
No, sir.
That's so insulting.
No, because I think we're very curious to know.
Not true. I'm joking. I am the household odor. They say, oh, he's come. No. Joking. But honestly, this is my third year with Ambipure, right? I used to use Ambipure even before that, simply because I genuinely believe, and this is not some brand ambassador talking the brand ambassador thing, but I genuinely believe that you can decorate your house with the most expensive marble, the best upholstery, the best curtains, the best everything. And it can be spick and span. But if someone comes over for dinner, guests, and my kitchen is actually right by the entry, it can ruin the evening. You can have a fabulous looking house, but if there's a smell, you will not even know why you're irritable. क्यों गुस्सा आ रहा है, क्यों मजा नहीं आ रहा है? But I do believe that a good, clean house means that the cushions don't have to be perfect, the curtains don't have to be draped perfectly while this is breaking down. But it also has to smell good, more importantly. If it's a little messy house, it means that it looks lived in. Nobody will get upset with you if the house is a little messy. But people will feel completely off color with off-color odors. So we used to use Ambipure, and then suddenly I got a call from the agent and said, they want you to be brand ambassador. I said, I can talk about this. I can talk about it for 2 hours. Are you all ready? No, they are not ready. 2 hours, nahi, nahi, bahut ho gaya, bahut acha bola. So that's my story with Ambipure. And this year, specifically, Ambipure has come up with a new and improved Ambipure, which is very easy for someone like me to say, new and improved. It's a very brand ambassador thing to say, new and improved. But I really wanted to find out what new and improved means, because there are many, many different kind of odors. There is dog odor. So a dog lover will love your house even if there's a dog odor. But a dog odor, the molecular structure of dog odor is different from the molecular structure, say, of tadka, a molecular structure which is floating in the air of, say, fish, the molecular structure of musty monsoon smells. Everything that's in the air has a different molecular structure. The new and improved one has more and more attack for many, many different kind of odors at a faster pace. There's one more thing I wanted to say. And I'm talking about this, I'm sorry. There's one more thing I wanted to say is that earlier, before using Ambipure, one day when guests are coming out, instead of lighting a candle, I took out a very expensive cologne because of there was a certain smell. So I sprayed it. Colognes are designed for your skin. Just because it's an expensive cologne, it doesn't mean that it's going to kill the odor. It'll have a temporary effect, but the mixture of an expensive cologne, a brand, a big designer brand, will give you an even worse odor, a mix. So that's my experience with Ambipure, and I'm very, very proud to be here. Good morning, everyone. Kuch dikhai nahi de raha. Hi, everyone smile na, Baba. Yeah. Have you sprayed Ambipure in the room? You have. That's why everyone's smiling.
So to an extent, you do feel that somewhere we all got very accustomed to this household odor.
Right.
And it's time to actually tackle it the
right
right way. All right. So maybe on that note, I've also been informed that you've also invited a special guest over here this afternoon to get a little women's perspective. Okay, you can see a little expression change there.
No, actually, she is a very special guest.
Yes.
I was told by that we are getting you a friend. So I'm so happy. Last year we had the beautiful Farah, who's also a genuine friend, and this year another genuine friend, someone who I love very much. Can I do the honors of introducing who I love very much? She's a spirit in her own way. She's the happiest, most energetic person I know. A wonderful lady, beautiful, fashion sense, impeccable, warmth personified. Ladies and gentlemen, for her at least, put your hands together. And please welcome, put your hands together. Come on, photographers, drop your... And welcome Neha Dhupia. Yeah, baby.
We're going to have the photo up as well. In fact, आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा photo opportunity होने वाला है. Firstly, a warm welcome, Neha.
Thank you very much. And Bombs, what a nice introduction you've given me. It's never happened to me before. All I can say about you is best man ever. Even when I get married, I promise you, you'll be my best man.
That doesn't make me the best man. I'm last in the line. Best man only just walks the bride to the... But come on, hurry up.
Yes.
Right. Superb. So now that our photographers are also waiting for a photo op, what we're going to do is maybe it's time to actually introduce to them the new and improved Ambipure with odor clear technology. So let's go ahead and do that.
You're asking me my permission?
Yes, I'm taking your permission.
First, let Neha say a thing or two, no?
You know, I was backstage listening to all the things that you were saying, Baman, and it was very interesting because...
Baman sir, please. Yeah, okay.
Eh? Who's that? Hey, Bombs, yeah.
Yeah, that's better.
No, but Baman sir, I was backstage. That's really odd. I was backstage and I was listening to all the things you were saying. And you know, everything that you said about whether it's about the odor, whether it's about the smell, it's about the way we feel when we get all this bad odor when we walk into people's homes, or even like in my own house, like for instance, I have an open kitchen. And I fear calling guests only because I'm just like, damn, I have an open kitchen, which means there has to be 6 hours of cooking that goes in before this. And what am I going to do to get rid of all that odor? But guess what? Just like Baman sir, even I'm a very proud user of Ambipure. And I have used that. I don't have to stick to like other forms, you know, or other means to get rid of all the other odors. And all I need to do is just go, pss, pss, and I'm ready for my guests. So it's awesome, and I'm not just endorsing it because I'm standing here. I wouldn't ever do that, but this is definitely a product that I use in my living room, in my kitchen, and even if you need intimate details, in my bathroom. So, yeah.
Oh, okay. Bathroom. I was wondering, intimate details. No, Neha, don't tell. Don't tell them. She's saying bathroom. Okay. That's not so intimate. You can go ahead.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Take it on your honeymoon also. I'll be your best man.
I'm hoping the man I marry does not have any odor.
No, that
or
he
does
uses,
not,
that's deodorant.
does not eat food that has odor. But even if he does, I promise, apart from packing other things that I need to on my honeymoon, I will pack Ambipure. And not too much of it, because you don't really need too much of it. So one can is enough.
So we've got perspectives from both Neha as well as Baman. And because our photographers have also been waiting for so long to capture both of them together. Without mic.
Oh, mic, okay.
Acha, okay. So let me take that from you.
Come on, come now, Baba.
Solo, we are going to take some more solo pics, sir ji. अच्छा, आप माइक के साथ अभी.
क्यों क्यों भाई मेरे से सोलो नहीं लेगा तू? अच्छा कोई बात अच्छा.
Quick solos.
I know you're light and fit and all, but still. Neha, please be careful, darling.
All right. Thank you so much.
1 second, I'm coming in a second. I want to go behind. Let me ask the people some questions. Because they are sitting so quietly over there. Only the photographer making what is this, man? Come on, everybody. Good morning, everyone. Come on. Let's have some. What happened to you? Yeah, I know it's a product launch and it's fuss and it's about odors. It's not something glamorous and all. But come on, cheer up, everyone. Why? Hello, good morning. Don't look into your smartphone. Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. How is it? Good afternoon. How is everybody? All good. Just came to say hi. Otherwise, I just feel hi. नहीं मेरा अभी नहीं अभी खत्म नहीं forget it नहीं छोड़ो नाराज हो गया. Yes.
I wonder why they're clicking more photos of me. Yeah?
Because you're so beautiful, Neha.
No.
It's true.
No. Acha, listen.
Because they've been shooting me for 3 years. They've got enough of bank, same color. So they've got enough. Don't worry.
Have you been wearing the same
and
jacket?
I told them, same jacket. And I've been telling, no, it's a new fitted one.
Oh.
And I told them also, don't ignore Neha. Thoda unko bhi izzat do. Thoda unko bhi photograph. So you.
Thanks, huh? They're all my buddies. Anyway.
Great, superb. So now, with your permission, Hamzara, we'll march ahead to our next segment. I think it's time for a little test, a little action on the stage as well. We're going to have a little test to also.
What are you going to do in the test?
It's got to do with intelligence?
It's got to do with
intelligence?
All of it. All.
You need intelligence. Neha, you come after half an hour.
No, but I have to say that, he knows me so well. And it's great that we're going to do a test together. So we'll see who passes and who doesn't.
Yes,
yeah?
superb.
I think with Baman sir, it's kind of tough for me to pass.
Let's do the test. Now,
All right, great. Superb. So this is called the odor test. It's as simple as that. So it'll have all the action, romance, drama, everything. We're going to call it the odor test.
Okay.
That's
but,
right.
The thing is, before we go into the test, there was like, I was talking to the team and stuff like that, and they were like, one of the reasons why we have AmbiPure here and why we're launching a new and improved version, a lot of people have something called nose blindness, which to me, when I had to understand the phenomena, I was just like, what is the whole phenomenon of nose blindness? And it was just like, people are just so, they don't even realize that there is smell, there's odor that exists around them. And I was very proud to say that I don't have nose blindness, because I'm very aware of the odors and smells that exist. Do I have to tell you which one it is in the test?
No, you don't have to tell that. In fact, this test will be done with the AmbiPure. So you just have to definitely use your nose skills in order to smell it, and then we'll...
Which I'm very proud
Yes.
of. So I'm excited about this test.
And what a pretty nose too. Yeah, come on, let's go.
And not just...
Sun rahe ho na sab log?
So not just Neha and Baman sir, I think all of us will actually get to experience the test. All of you. So it's now time to put your phones aside and participate in the test.
Put your phones aside.
Oh, wow. Are you all going to be a part of it as well? Awesome.
Superb, great. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to call it the odor test. So first up, we're going to be circulating on the stage as well as on the cluster tables. Glasses filled with...
Limbu pani for everybody.
Okay, so you'd like to smell?
no such thing as neutral.
Well, for all those who have just experienced the test, in fact, Boman sir, do you have something to say?
No, genuinely, does it work for everyone? We got a reaction. It really does. It
Yeah.
really is fantastic.
You know what I love is the fact that these two women who were sitting in front, they weren't paying attention to anything, and then finally they smelled.
No. They were paying.
Yeah.
No.
Only to you, not to me.
You were paying attention.
And then
no.
they
She's
smelled,
jealous. No,
they
don't.
smelled the garlic. And
Hey, wait, I'll take a picture.
they were
Give me your
blown
phone.
away. They
Give me
were
your- give me your
blown
camera.
away.
Let me take a photograph. Give me your phone. You wanted it, you get it. Khatam ho gaya, no?
They're loving the fragrance of the new and improved Ambipure. Like
What a
totally.
morning they're having, huh? From the ginger garlic to the odor, which is it's odor free, absolutely, and it has this amazing smell now. And then you have Baman Irani shooting you. That's just amazing.
That's the day, mate.
By the way,
Beautiful.
I just want to share some trivia about Baman sir and me. That when I landed, now you asked for it, bombs. Okay. But when I landed in Bombay, and the first thing I ever did was compete for the Miss India contest. And my first set of pictures that were ever shot was shot by the fabulous Baman Irani.
That's an interesting trivia. Something you're not aware. Wow.
And you still use them, I hope.
I do. It's just that I'm like 15 kgs heavier, but it's fine. Yeah. I mean, like, ठीक है, कुछ दिन पहले था.
Totally love the no filter Neha.
Thank you.
What is no filter, Neha?
Well, no filter Neha is.
I don't want to know because I've not been invited on the show. Go on.
Oh my God. Are you going to come tomorrow? Date नहीं होती इन लोगों के पास.
Great. So it's wonderful to see all your smiles widen after that wonderful odor test. Imagine I'm saying wonderful odor test of all. But Neha, I think it's now time to dump the odor issues in a box. Are you ready to do that?
I'm ready to do that, and I wish I can do that not just here, but everywhere in life. And I know that this beautiful bottle is going to help me do that.
Superb. So now is the opportunity for you to actually dump these odor issues. Let's have the box on the stage as well.
Wow.
Robin, don't forget to give the ladies those pictures. Don't forget. I mean, taking pictures and all, you get a nice photo, but I think they should get the pictures. Yeah, your names, ma'am? Of course. Please, don't forget, Robin. I'll organize it. Robin, don't muck it up. Huh?
So on that note, now let's take questions from the audience. आप सबने already you've heard. Okay, so we have the beautiful lady already ready with a question. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
बोमन जी मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि जो गंदे स्मेल जो आपको कभी सबसे पहला बार कब अनुभव हुआ जब आप घर में एंटर किए और आपको लगा नहीं इसे तो हटाना ही है कोई एक्सपीरियंस
अगर आप मेरे घर आएंगे तो इट्स अ वेरी नाइस हाउस डिसेंट हाउस डिसेंट लेकिन द डोर हमारा जो दरवाज़ा खुलता है मेन डोर राइट मारेंगे तो हॉल की तरफ जाता है लिविंग रूम लेकिन 6 कदम इस तरफ अपना किचन है और हमारा किचन इज़ लाइक अ आर्मी किचन क्योंकि हमारे घर में वी आर वेरी प्राउड टू से दैट There are lots of people coming in all the time. So the cooking quantities, plus it's Parsi food, the cooking quantities are very huge and the flavors are very strong. So one day in my new house, I was so excited. My first set of guests were coming. और मैं घर आया, सब कुछ, नई नई चीज़ खरीदना, candles है, ये है, वो है. You're setting up a new house. It's a very exciting thing. We've all experienced that when you get into a new house. And when I went in, there was this very strong odor. Fish was being fried and dhansak was being made. Now it's a very pleasant taste, actually. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. But when it goes into the hall, or when the AC on, it's not so good. I really panicked. So Zenobia said, let's light some candles. So we lit up some candles. I said, then what to do? So I personally, when I wanted to discover the new area I was living in, Dadar mein, Pachagan. Dadar is beach mein, yeah, correct. So I went and lo and behold, they gave me the one and only Ambipure. So I said, as if this is going to help. And I sprayed it in the hall, and I sprayed it on the door. मैंने अपने दिमाग से काम चलाया. I sprayed it on the door of the kitchen. जैसे कि एक shield बनेगा, armor. And नाड़ी दिमाग कभी-कभी अच्छा कर लेता है. So I used that. And then when I spoke to the expert who will be meeting, connecting with some point, the R&D expert who came down from Germany, I think, he says, you did the right thing. So that is my first experience using Ambipure, and that odors can be irritating. It can be irritating, especially I've discovered when I was a kid, मुझे याद है, अभी तो मेरा पोता बड़ा होगा, 2-3 साल के बाद स्कूल जाएगा, I am guaranteeing you कि बच्चे जब gumboots पहनते ना, it has to be the worst smell in the world. मतलब we have to remove our feet from the gumboot, और अंदर से your feet become all crinkly and blue, वो इतना गंदा लेता है, the smell is the worst. So, I'm waiting for my pota to become big and let the gumboot smell come, no problem, but we'll use Ambipure for it.
All right, let's take another question. Yes, ma'am.
जी.
Sorry. अभी आपने गमबूट की भी बात की और आपने शू उसमें डाला क्योंकि उसमें स्मेल आती है.
जी.
तो क्या ट्रैवलिंग के समय आप एम्बीप्योर अपने साथ पैक करके ले जाते हैं?
Believe it or not, I travel. Mohan is standing behind. I travel. I was telling, yeah, just yesterday. I was in London. I came back last night. I do travel with Ambipure.
Okay.
I do travel with Ambipure. It just helps to keep my room because a lot of people come to the room, meetings में आते हैं इसमें. So somehow or the other, कभी room service का जो tray आता है ना हमारे rooms में, sometimes we leave it overnight. So if I have a meeting first thing in the morning, Mohan, Ambipure, I'm not joking. I'm so proud to talk about a product I'm a brand ambassador of, because I can say it with great confidence and honesty. So genuinely I travel. Also, I wish I can travel with Ambipure on the flight and put it on everybody's feet because they remove their socks. वो करते हैं ना हम लोग. Okay, sorry, कानूनी मतलब क्या है, health है, government के. मुझे लगता है कि Ambipure. It's true, shoe smells are really socks and shoe smells. Yeah, darling. Thank you.
We have a question from the gentleman behind.
नेहा जी आप
Had to be, no, guy had to ask Neha. मुझे मालूम था.
आपको कब लगा कि इस प्रोडक्ट के साथ आप भी एसोसिएट है अभी, तो आप कुछ अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
Last night she came to know. Week roller.
No, honestly, मैं पहले से ही Ambipure यूज़ करती हूँ. मैं कई साल पहले मैं ब्रांड एम्बेसडर थी Ambipure की. Unfortunately, it got taken away and bombs took that assignment from me. Shoot you? Okay. And no, but having said that, कई ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं जो आपको ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि आपको ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनना होता है, या कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट नहीं होता है जहाँ पे आपको स्टेज पर आके उस प्रोडक्ट की बात करनी होती है टू गेट टू नो. एक चीज़ ज़रूर, एंड नाउ आई एम ऑल्सो, बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज स्ट्रगल विद दिस ट्रैवल में मैं क्या करूँ, क्योंकि हमारे कमरों में इतने लोग आते हैं, कई बार हम मीटिंग्स कमरों में करते हैं, एंड दिस रूम सर्विस, देयर इज़ नथिंग फॉर मी, नथिंग वर्स देन, आई लव फूड, बट फूड हैज़ अ स्मेल और एक अजीब तरह की ओडर है जो नहीं मिटती है, वो चाहे आप कुछ भी कर लो. एंड दी ओनली थिंग, और मैं बार बार ये कहती हूँ, मेरे घर में मैं अकेली रहती हूँ, आई डोंट हैव बिग फैमिली एंड ऑल दोज इशूज़, बट मेरा एक ओपन किचन है और मैं हमेशा ये सोचती थी कि हाँ ठीक है, आई एम गोना बी कूल अबाउट इट एंड इट्स द लुक एंड ऑल, बट it's not the look. If it doesn't smell good, it's not the look. And then AmbiPure was the only thing that sorted it out. But yes, I'm now a convert. ये जो garlic test हुआ है, I'm blown away. Like मैंने कभी ऐसा कुछ देखा नहीं है, कभी ऐसा कुछ, to be precise, सूंघा नहीं है. So definitely, that's one thing for me. I'm going to carry it. मैं ये नहीं करती थी. मेरी गाड़ी में है AmbiPure क्योंकि जाहिर सी बात है कि हम हमेशा अपनी गाड़ियों में we wanted to smell good, and सबसे ज़्यादा जो सिलन की स्मेल होती है, जो बॉम्बे के मॉइस्चर की स्मेल होती है, वो गाड़ियों में घुसती है क्योंकि we can't even air our cars out.
What's the word Sillan?
Sillan.
Oh, that's a new word I learned. Who knew Sillan before she said it? Only,
Sorry, I'm
I knew
from
Sealan. When you said Sillan, मैं बोला ये सुना नहीं.
Okay, sorry,
Sealan, that I
I'm
know.
from
यार.
Punjab. I just have a different accent. Sealan.
Sealan.
So
Sealan, right?
Sealan की smell seal हो जाती है अंदर गाड़ी
No
में.
wonder I took over AmbiPure ambassadorship.
But you can't even air the car out. Monsoon is not, you know, it's not just a passing day. We live with monsoons for almost 4 months. So when do you air the car out? When do you do all that? But I've always been using AmbiPure. I promise you, I'm not saying this because I'm standing on stage. But yes, the traveling bit, I haven't been traveling with it, so I'm going to start traveling with it for sure. It's a great idea.
It happened with room service, and also sometimes what happens is, when you're in a room and in the hot months, even in Europe, you know, the temperatures go up to 40 in Switzerland.
Yeah.
And you sweat like crazy. Now you may have a suite, but you don't have a big house where you can go and dump your clothes in a basket somewhere. So those clothes you remove and you leave them sometimes on a chair.
Yeah.
And it stinks. Not me.
Obviously not him.
But it really stinks. And I tell you, AmbiPure really, really helps it out. It does.
नेहा जी आपके शो की
Your brief didn't teach me all this. I can say this like that.
नेहा जी आपकी शो की काफ़ी तारीफ हो रही है. सर शिकायत कर रहे थे कि आपने बुलाया नहीं, तो नेक्स्ट सीजन में आप बुलाने वाले?
सर को पूछो वो वापस कब आए इंडिया. बस इतना पूछो उनकी फ्लाइट कब लैंड करी है. मेरे सारे सवालों का जवाब यहीं पे मिल जाएगा. What time did you land from London?
This morning.
देख लिया. वो सर AmbiPure के लिए आएंगे, नो फिल्टर नेहा के लिए नहीं आएंगे.
I said, can I come tomorrow? Can you push it? So they said, if you don't come for this event today, we are sacking you as a brand ambassador and we're putting back Neha. So I landed up. मैं बोला छोड़ो जाना.
लड़ाई झगड़े.
We'll take one more question from the lady.
Yeah. Hi, Boman sir. Hi, Neha.
Hi, dear.
Yeah. So I just wanted to ask you, how would you like to create a general awareness among the public regarding AmbiPure? Because there are many people out there who are not using it regularly or not aware about it. So how do you intend to spread more awareness about this new product?
I think it's a great question, simply because, look, smell is not something that we have to say that it's a national issue, okay? It's not. We've got other things to worry about. But I genuinely feel, as ambassadors of this country, I think it's important to be house proud. When somebody from outside comes to your home, you have to be house proud. And I think it's a very, very important thing to say, that nobody should come into a house and say, in India, because of the monsoons, it smells in the houses. And that is bad ambassadorship as citizens. And I think it does make a difference. It does make a difference because as citizens, we have to make sure that nobody gets a bad impression, and just one bad impression is not good. Our advertising, if you notice, is not about promoting just a brand. We are actually doing with real people, walking into their houses. Believe it or not, I hide under the staircase for these ads. There is nothing fake in these ads. They don't know who's coming to their door. I knock on their door, I enter, and the reactions that you see are genuine. So we go and do a genuine test on people, blindfold the husband or the neighbor and bring them in so that people are aware through the ads of what bad odor is and how important it is to be proud of your home and your surrounding. So our ads are designed that way. It's not to show some snazzy lighting effect or some splash of water effect and great pretty looking pictures. They aren't pretty looking pictures. They are practical reality TV based ads. And that causes genuine awareness, I think.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, so with that, we come to the end of the questions from our media friends. And But first up, can we have one last photo opportunity for our photographers as well? One more time.
एक साल पहले Richa was also here. Richa, yeah, she was there. Then the next year was Farah, and this year I've been waiting for 3 years for this moment with the beautiful Neha. So ask Neha something. Next year she won't be here. Next year she'll go on to another brand.
ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता. मेरी PNG के साथ एसोसिएशन 10 साल से ज़्यादा हो चुकी है. So yeah, it's my longest standing relationship in my life apart from my parents and my brother. That's Procter and Gamble.
And me?
चलना.
कुछ शेयर करना चाहिए घर पे ज़्यादा स्मेल आता होता है आपने ये प्रोडक्ट यूज़ किया एम्प्योर और उसके बाद स्मेल आना बंद.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल. ये हम अभी स्टेज पर भी यही बात कर रहे थे कि जब घरों में इतनी स्मेल आती है हम लोगों को एहसास नहीं होता. या तो हम बाहर जाके अंदर आए और यू नो देयर इज अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ ओडर. स्मेल एक चीज़ होती है और ओडर मिटाने के लिए यू नो आई कीप सेइंग कि हम कई लोगों को होता है कि दे जस्ट हैव नोज ब्लाइंडनेस. उनको समझ में ही नहीं आता कि इतनी स्मेल होती है. चाहे वो मसालों की स्मेल हो, चाहे वो सीलन की स्मेल हो, चाहे वो यू नो इट्स द मॉइस्चर, इट्स द रेन्स, ऑल ऑफ दैट यू नो कंबाइंड. बहुत अलग अलग किस्म की स्मेल्स होती हैं एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट रिड ऑफ इट. क्योंकि हमारे 4 महीने तो हमारे बॉम्बे में बारिशें होती हैं. हम खिड़कियाँ नहीं खोल सकते, चाहे वो घर की हों चाहे वो गाड़ियों की हों. सो आई थिंक ऑल इन ऑल यू नीड दैट वन सोल्यूशन. और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव हूँ जब स्मेल आती है. तो आई जस्ट कांट बेयर इट. इट गो स्ट्रेट टू माई हेड एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट एम्बिप्योर इज़ द सोल्यूशन टू ऑल ऑफ दिस. और मैं ये बहुत इंसिस्ट करके कहना चाहूँगी कि आई हैव नॉट बीन यूजिंग एम्बिप्योर जस्ट बिकॉज आई बीन टोल्ड राइट नाउ. आई बीन यूजिंग इट फॉर मेनी ईयर्स. एवर सिंस द टाइम आई बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू इट देयर हैज़ बीन नो अदर सब्स्टिट्यूट और रिप्लेसमेंट.
My new and improved thing is that this year we have Neha by my side. It feels very new and improved for me. It genuinely does. Neha, I crack jokes and all. I hope you don't get it.
Moms, I know you love me.
But I love her dearly, and I really feel it's so nice to spend some time with Neha. We spend times at parties. She comes over every single year for my birthday. She's one of the few people who's part of. I feel very
and
close to.
And I know the Parsi food that he was talking about.
So basically,
I don't care about how it smells. It tastes delicious. 3 days in the gym, thrice every day.
है ना? You have to. But new and improved, I just feel that I personally have felt a lot of a fresh energy in me. And this has got nothing to do with Ambipure, but we have talked about new and improved, so we are trying to associate. Kishan, ke haath niche karna. The new improved thing is I feel a lot more energetic ever since I've become a grandfather. I feel younger. Grandfathers are supposed to feel older. Kabhi main dada ho gaya, but I feel much younger and much fresher for some reason. So I'm the new and improved grandfather.
मेरी न्यू एंड इम्प्रूव चीज़ तो ऑब्वियसली यही है कि मैं एक्टर के साथ साथ अब प्रोड्यूसर भी बन गई हूँ. सो यू नो प्रोड्यूसिंग डिजिटल कंटेंट, माय टॉक शो. सो इट्स डेफिनेटली द न्यू एंड इम्प्रूव थिंग इन माय लाइफ. और मैं एक और चीज़ बताना चाहूँगी कि जहाँ पे हम रिकॉर्ड करते हैं एंड दिस इज़ just because अभी मुझे याद आया है because it's a recording studio और
Dubbing
हमेशा
rooms.
जो dubbing room होता है इतनी ज़्यादा वहाँ smell आती है and the last thing I say before shooting for No Filter Neha is जब guest का phone आ जाता है we're 10 minutes away I'm just like guys where's the Ambipure I promise you I
You
say
know,
that
this is
इतनी-
something that has slipped my mind.
इतनी ज़्यादा smell होती है recording studios और dubbing rooms में
आप दोनों के काफी बॉलीवुड फ्रेंड्स हैं तो आप लोग किसको एम्बिप्योर बताना चाहोगे?
She is indirectly saying कि किसका घर में बदबू आती. She wants a scoop basically. ये इसमें scoop चाहिए. I'll tell you किसके घर में चाहिए. वो है Abhay Sharma. You know that actor Abhay Sharma? That's the guy. Find out for yourself.
पता चले सच्ची में
वो अभय शर्मा एक्टर है. वो वाला एक्टर है कोई वो दूसरा वाला जो 20 साल पहले उसने एक फिल्म में काम किया था वो अभय शर्मा. You own a scoop.
शो के लिए आप टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे नो फिल्टर
See, genuinely, she's right. I've been traveling. मैं आज सुबह आया लंदन से. उसके पहले I was in Hyderabad and I flew from there. Anyway, long story short, it'll be an honor to be on your show, Neha.
Oh my God, I'm so touched. Thanks, Vaughn.
You're not touched. I was being sarcastic.
पड़ गई डांट. बता दूं मैं सारी बातें. खुलासा कर दूं बमन ईरानी का.
Yes.
yesterday the historic judgment made by the Supreme Court that triple talaq was banned. Now, what is your opinion? Do you think?
Ambipure is very good for homes.
But what do you want to say, ma'am?
You know what? It's
women
another.
empowerment is-
I love it. But let's talk about what we are here for.
Everything is a step towards women empowerment, whether it's triple talaq or using Ambipure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.